By simple getting some leeks out of the way. All right, so we need to cut off these bits. I'm going to cut them up like this, and I'm going to wash them off. I'm going to, you guys can grab that one. That will be amazing. All right, so grab that recipe, and with vegetables, it's supposed to be really good. The leek, I'm gonna wash them off into some water, and I'm going to make some soup with this. I feel better. That's what I'm talking about. That's another way you guys can also do it.